So he is applying that much force here that he is going to balance its own weight and platform weight. Now if I consider entire to be my system, platform and this weighing machine entire my system, then if you draw the free body diagram, then what will be the free body diagram? Mass is down, very good. How much?
Attention on upwards, tension to upwards.
Yeah, very good. 2T, because here T, here also T, 2T. Down is 60 plus 30. How much? 90. 90 into G. G is 10. Now system is at rest. So 2T minus 900. So what will be the answer?
450.
450 Newton. 450. The same answer you are getting now. 450.
Yes, sir. Then also.
So there are numerous way to solve any problem. So choose the system wisely. Whenever you are going to solve any numerical, choose the system wisely. Now you got the tension. You can easily find the normal reaction force. You can consider man as a system. Now you can consider this man as a system. Then what will be the normal reaction force? Easily you can get. If this is your system, then one is down. Its mass is how much? 60. Tension is up. 450. Normal up on this man, because I am drawing the free body diagram of this man. So it will be n plus 450 minus 600. So answer is 150 Newton. If you divide, you will get a reading on weighing machine. How much? 15 kg. Clear? Next concept. I think if you have right. Monkey concept I will explain, okay, because such numericals also you can find how monkey is moving on the rope. For example, this is the branch. This is a branch of tree. It's just like a rope. It is a branch of a tree. And if a monkey is, for example, how will I draw monkey? How will I draw monkey? Monkey. Drawing is not good, but he is monkey, okay? Monkey. And he is like this. He just tied his hand like this. Consider it's a monkey, okay?
Yes, sir.
My drawing is not good. Okay, I draw monkey, 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 monkey. Monkey, how it is monkey? Okay. Forget monkey, monkey, monkey. Pick is not good. Okay, so no, don't mind my picks. Consider my feelings. How monkey is just we hand over this branch to monkey. He's not going anywhere. He just tied a string or a branch and he is moving like this. Or he is standing. Okay. Take 1 minute. Okay. One call is coming. I just give me 1 minute. Okay. Hello. One call is coming. I'm just give
Yes,
me
sir.
1 minute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So monkey I have drawn here. What this monkey is doing? He's just tied a branch. Then if you draw the free body diagram of this monkey, then on this monkey weight, let us suppose mass of the monkey is m. So mg down, tension up. So you can say, sir, mg is equal to t. Since it is at rest, t is equal to, okay, mg. You will say like that. This is when monkey is at rest. Clear? Previous question, there is a man. Man is also doing like that. But along with that, that hair-like tension is going to balance the weight of the monkey. In the previous question, the tension is going to balance the rope. The branch is going to balance platform weight and the person weight. Clear? So here forces are balanced. Now, if the person, for example, he is going to monkey. What monkey is doing? He is going to apply some force like this. He is going like this. He is doing like this. So when he is doing like this, then what is going to happen? He is doing action. He is doing action like this. Then reaction is he is going up. He is doing action on the rope. He is doing action on the rope, and he is going up. For example, next case, when he is doing action on the rope by like this, how is it? Is he doing action? He is doing action and he get accelerated. Okay. He is doing action. How he will do when he is going to apply force on this rope? How much? When he is going to apply force on this rope, net force on this rope, then only he is going to do action now. Just see here. The monkey. Okay. He just tied this and he is moving up. Why is he moving up? Because he is doing action like this. When he is doing action, one step, and he is going up. When he is doing action down, he is going up. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now something is there who is helping monkey to go up. Some net force is there. He is doing action. He is doing action on the rope. And reaction on what? To whom? On the monkey. Action and reaction acting on two different bodies. Here two different bodies. One monkey, one rope. He is doing action on the rope like this. He is taking the rope downside and he is going up. So in this case, if you draw the free body diagram or apply force balancing equation, then what you will get? Monkey weight is down, mg. Tension is up. Then T minus mg net force will be equal to mass of monkey into acceleration. You will say T is equal to mg plus a. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So remember one thing, like here acceleration will not be zero. You will apply equation like this. Understood? He is doing
Yes, sir.
action on the rope. Reaction he is getting from the rope on him. Understood? Any doubt?
No, sir, no
So
doubts.
monkey motion is like this. Monkey is going up. He is going up with a acceleration. Now in this case, what is T? T will be mg plus a. Previous question. Now previous question. Now I'm going to ask one question. The previous question only. Previous, on the basis of previous question, I'm going to ask one more question using this data. Now write down the question. In the above question means previous. In the previous question, if machine, if Machine means weighing machine.
Weight machine.
Machine give correct weight. Correct weight. Then find the force applied by man. Then find the force applied by man applied by man on a string. Clear? If machine is giving correct weight, then find the force applied by the man on a string. Same question, okay? If you want a diagram, I will draw. Platform, weighing machine, okay? Spring balance, like this. Here it is fixed. Here man is standing. Clear? And with the help of hand, he is going to tighten this. Now what they're asking actually? Tension simply. Clear? Do you know? Force applied directly on the string. Force applied by the man on a string is equal to tension, na?
Yes, sir.
Because he is applying direct force on one end of the string. I explained this topic, this concept now. If force applied directly on the string and along a string, then it is equal to tension. So actually they are asking tension only. They are asking tension force. So same question, draw the free body diagram, consider man as a, now in this case, he is going to apply a force so that the entire system is going up with a acceleration. If man is going with a acceleration above, platform is also going because man is attached with the platform. Entire system is going to move like monkey. Okay. Now, if you draw the free body diagram of this man again, then due to weighing machine, what is the weight of this man? 60 kg. Due to weighing machine, normal is up. Due to this tension is there. Now, if you again earlier case t plus n minus 600 equal to 0. But in this case, the man is this entire system is going to move with a acceleration above. There is net force. How much? Mass of system is 60. Acceleration A. Clear? So actually man is going to apply some force. Because of that only he is going with the A acceleration. Clear? So
Yes,
if
sir.
you ask me, sir, what is this? What is this hand? If machine is giving correct weight, Then N will be what? Tell me. If machine is giving correct weight, then N will be what? Reading of weighing machine is what? Reading of weighing machine
60
is giving what?
60 kg.
Very good. Very good. N will be 600. 60 kg means like N will be what? 600. Correct means like reading of the weighing machine will be 60 kg. 60 kg means normal will be how much? 600. Correct. Correct weight. As per the question. Then tension will be what? How much? Tension comes out to be 60A. Equation 1. Now apply. Consider this entire as a system. Here T. If you draw the free body diagram, down is 900, 90, sorry, not 900, 9 into G, above 2T, clear? So 2T minus 900 equal to what? M into A. Just put the value of tension, this tension here, and give me the value of A. How much? What is the answer? How much you are getting?
Third, no, sorry,
Tension, how much tension force?
30, answer is 30, sir. Acceleration is
30 na? So tension will
correct.
be 1800 Newton. Very nice. Correct. Understood? Now
Yes, sir.
here I have considered man, but in some numericals they will consider like monkey. Monkey, he is holding the branches of a tree, and he want to move. Why is he going like up? To catch the banana. Here, there is banana at the top, and branches are there. He is doing like this. He is moving on the branches to catch that banana. That's why he is moving. Na? Otherwise, why monkey is going up to catch banana only? Na?
Uh,
Understood?
yes, sir.
So same question like you will find there also. Such type of numerical they can ask. So we will close this session. I have a certain other question. Okay, we will discuss in the next class. I hope you understood up to this point, and I will discuss that concept like a string in series. What is the equivalent string constant? I will discuss. So no need to worry in that. Such numericals I will discuss later. Now I hope up to this point like you have no doubt. Clear? Slowly,
Yes, sir.
slowly revise my notes. That's only. Revise the notes. That's only, and focus on your class 10 first. And sidely, small, like what we say, success will get only when we eat small things, small goals. Okay, definitely like things will be better, timely, clear. So don't worry, like even in the first attempt you are not able to solve any question because everything is new. Things are really new for you. Once you have a practice to draw the free body diagram, everything like once you practice, then everything will be sorted. Clear?
Yes,
I
sir.
know your feelings like what you are thinking like I'm not able to solve sometime like, but don't think like that. Again, I'm saying clear because the initial phase you are in 10th and you are learning 11th, so it will take time. Okay, free body diagram practice. If you have a problem in direction, please ask me. Direction of tension. I think you have no doubt in direction. Clear?
No, sir.
Okay, so I will close this session and tomorrow no class, not tomorrow, and second I will tell. Okay, okay, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Any doubt in today's class?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So we have started like this topic, and this topic we have understood like what is the meaning of reading of weighing machine. In depth, we have learned this topic. Clear? So today I'm going to discuss some numericals on this topic. I hope you understand this topic. So write some numerical and we are starting
Yes.
with easy numerical first. So give me the answer. 1 minute, okay? Hmm. You have any doubt like in the previous lecture?
No, sir, no doubts.
Okay, okay, okay. So write down one question. Write down the question. Find the reading of weighing machine. Find the reading of weighing machine. Weighing. In place of weighing machine here is spring balance. Okay. I'm writing weighing machine, but actually here is spring balance. Okay. Is spring balance. Just for your understanding. Spring balance in the given diagram. There. Now draw the circuit. Draw this diagram. When a spring is there, one block is attached. 10 kg. And here acceleration is given like this. 5 meter per second square. Clear? It means that how acceleration will come. You attach, earlier there is no block attached to this. Once you attach a block, the spring will oscillate. Okay? Means it has certain acceleration. That's only. Now, how to solve this question? Simply, I told like in case of spring balance, how to find the reading? Reading will be find the tension force first. Clear? In case of
Yes.
spring balance, like what we have learned, I think you remember, we will find first what?
Tension.
Spring force. Clear? That is tension, or it may be
Spring force.
spring force like F is equal to kx or tension and divide by G. Clear? I think previous lecture it is clear to you. So I will solve this question. Just look at here. Now in this question, draw the free body diagram of this 10 kg M into G. Tension is up. Clear? Here tension is spring force. So up minus down is equal to mass into acceleration is up. Okay. So what is the answer? 50 plus 100. 150. That is spring force. Then reading will be
Got
what?
the answer, sir.
Reading will be 150 by G. Because in reading what we are
50
doing, we are calibrating spring force corresponding to
mark.
mass 30 kg, 40 kg. That's why we are dividing by G. How much answer? 15 kg.
15 kg.
Clear? So actually this reading of weighing machine tell us what? How much mass is attached. Clear? Now you will say, sir,
Yes, sir.
its mass is 10 kg. Why you are getting 15 kg? It's not a like a true way true mass because so system is going to accelerate. If it is not accelerating, then you will get 10. Clear? Now same question
Yes,
if I
sir.
again ask you, just look at this. If I say like block is here, but there is no acceleration. Now find the tension. Then you will say, sir, T minus M into G. There is no acceleration, so M into.
100,
So you will say
100
tension is
kg.
100 Newton. Then what is the reading?
So
Reading, you will
500.
say, sir, reading is
10.
very good. 10 kg. Clear? This is true. Clear? Now write one more question.
Yes, sir.
In the given diagram, next question. Next question, write down. In the given diagram, in the given diagram, find the reading of find the reading of both spring balance. Spring balance. Please draw this diagram and give me the answer. Take support. One spring is there. Okay. One more spring is here. And both are balancing this 10 kg. Okay. This is spring 1. You can S2, spring 2, spring balance 2, spring balance 1. Clear? Now they are in series. Series parallel, this concept we will learn later. What is spring in series, spring in parallel? Later I will explain. Clear? First you understand they are in series combination. Springs are connected end to end. Like resistance are in case of series and parallel you have learned that resistors are connected end to end. So we say series combination. Similarly here. Okay. Now what is the reading of S1 and S2? Simple, they are asking. Reading means simply spring force divided by G. Now first of all I will you tell me at this point S1 and S2 is going to tie together. Clear? How this formation is going to take place? Like this. One spring is this S2 and one is down. Like this is if uh, if I show you in different diagram, it will be like this. This has one. Clear? Now you tied this end and this end together. Then you will get this picture. Okay. Now, first of all, tell me if I draw the free body diagram of this 10 kg mass like this. System is at equilibrium. Okay. Both are balancing this 10 kg. Clear? Now, if you attach 10 kg mass, then one is gravity. Gravity is going to apply M into G. Okay. Now one more force is there because spring is attached here. Who is going to balance this? S1. Clear? How much? How much spring force? Let us suppose how much? You can take K. Let us suppose spring constant is K. Extension is X1. Kx. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt,
So how will you write a equation? K1 X1 minus tan into G. G is tan equal to 0. Why? Because system is at equilibrium. Net force is 0. So K1 X1 is spring force. You can take K. Okay. I have taken spring constant is same in both the spring. Here also K. Spring constant, here also K. So Kx1 is equal to how much? 100 Newton. So what is the reading of S1? 100 by G. That is, it will give 10 kg.
10 kg.
Understood? Now how much reading is given by this S2?
Yes, sir.
See, here X1 extension in this spring extension or elongation is X1. In this spring elongation is X2. In case of series, elongation is different in different spring. Clear? It is not same. Both the
Yes.
spring will extend differently because they are connected in series. That's only I can say. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now check whether they will give the same reading or different reading. With the help of calculation we will understood. I just consider x1 and x2 is different. I just consider like that. Okay. Or if you want like you can take this k1 k2 no problem. K1 k2 no problem. Okay. I have taken k1 k2 no problem. Even if you are not taking equal, no problem. I just consider K1, K2, no problem. Now you tell me above spring, this spring, above spring is going to balance this entire system. Okay, this above spring is going to balance this S1 and this 10 kg mass. So if I take this is a point where this S1 and S2 is going to tight. If I draw the free body diagram here and if I cut, then here S2 is going to apply how much spring force here? K2x2. And below that, one S1 is there, it will apply how much? K1x1. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, in this case, reading of S2 will be K2x2 divided by G. So how will you write? K2x2 minus K1x1 is equal to negligible mass. Mass is negligible. Or you can acceleration is 0, whatever you want to say. So K2x2 is equal to what? K1x1. So what is K1x1? 100 Newton. Clear? So what is the reading of
Yes.
S2? It also be how much? 10 kg. Clear? So in case of series combination here, what you find, what is our observation? They will give the same reading. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
You should not have any doubt. Okay. Above spring is going to balance the portion which is downside. Clear? And who is downside? S1 and 10 kg mass. If I draw the free body diagram of this point, then I will get that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You have no doubt like how to draw the free body diagram and direction of force?
No doubt, sir.
Yeah, I think you should not have any such doubt. Clear? And if you have
Yes, sir.
doubt, you can ask me now only.
No
Clear?
doubt, sir.
Okay. Now, tough question I will not give now. I will give you first easy one. And you have to easy one only. Not that much easy, okay? Clear?
Yes.
If I take T spring and attach 20 kg mass, clear? Then it is having a spring constant K1, K2, K3. There are three spring balance, S1, spring balance, S2, S3. My question is, what is their reading? System is at equilibrium. System is at equilibrium. What is their reading? Okay. So for S1, what is the reading? S2, what is the reading? For S3, what is the reading? Clear? Tell me. Please solve this question. All the reading will be same. Now look at this. Look at this. Here, who is going to balance this block? Above spring, S1. S1 is going to balance spring force how much? K1 X1. Here, mg is down. Clear? Now this S1 is attached here with S2 like this. Here, this S2 is attached with S3 here. They are tied together. Now if I draw the free body diagram here of this point, this is my system. Clear? If this is my system, then one is due to S1, how much? K1 X1. Due to S2, K2 X2. Okay. If I draw for S3, this is our system. This point, if I take my system, then on my system, one is due to below spring, how much? K2 X2. Above spring, K3 X3, because extension is X3. Clear? Elongation is X1, X2 and X3. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Direction of K1, K2 is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now check this. Here, if you apply for finding reading of S1, what you will write? K1 X1, 2 into G. G is 10. System is at rest. So K1 X1, what? 20 Newton. Then reading of S1 will be what? 20 by G. How much? It is 20, na? Sorry. It is not. I have written 20. Okay, 20. 200. Okay. How much? 20 kg. Now, for this, apply Newton's second law. K2 X2 minus K1 X1 equal to 0. So K2 X2 will be what? K1 X1, and K1 X1 is 200 Newton. So what is the reading here? S2 will be 200 by G. Again 20. Always remember one thing. Whenever you are going to apply, you understood in your mind this point, which is binding S2 and S1. This point is going to balance all the things which is downside. Okay. This is the thing which is downside now. On this, at this point, how much is force is going to apply downside due to S1 and what? Due to S1, not S1, which is attached with here. Clear? Now for this point is going to balance all the things which is downside. Like this. Clear? This point is going to balance all the things which is downside. So if I draw the free body diagram here, it will be K3 X3 minus K2 X2 is equal to what? 0. So K3 X3 is equal to K2 x2. How much? What is the
20
answer?
kg.
200 Newton.
200 Newton.
So what is the reading here? 20 kg again. So again reading is same. Reading of S1, S2, S3 is same. S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S3. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
If you have doubt, like you can ask me, or I will move further. Okay. Don't worry. I will explain this topic and series combination, parallel combination after this. I think you have no doubt. One
No
question
doubt,
I
sir.
want to give you. Before that, I would like to explain this topic. Or you want one more numerical? Okay, I will give
One
numerical.
more.
Okay, first I will give numerical. First, let us focus on numericals. Draw this diagram. One pulley is here. Draw this. This is the structure. One man is standing on the weighing machine. Draw this diagram. This is a weighing machine. Okay, weighing machine. One person is standing on this weighing machine like this. And he is going to, with the help of his hand, he is going to tie it like this. Clear? This is the string and this is the structure. With the help of one pulley string and you can say platform. This is the platform. Clear? This is the platform here to here. Who is going to balance this platform? Pulley string and the man. He is going to apply force like this. Okay. Now what you have to what this platform? How much? 30 kg. The person having mass 60 kg. Now you need to tell in this question if the system is at rest. Question: if the system is at rest, system means entire man and platform. If the system is at rest, then find the reading of weighing machine. Then find the reading of weighing machine. Okay. Clear? Now
Yes, sir.
please try this question or I will also solve. You help me out, okay? So what is happening like the person, this platform, okay, this platform, this is the platform 30 kg, okay, this is the platform. This platform on which a person is standing. One string is here, one pulley is here, and togetherly this platform is at rest. The system, entire system is at rest. You tell me, if a man is not man is not touching the string, if he is not, if a string is not tied to a man, then will you see like this platform will be at rest? If there is lose of contact, if you lose the contact with a string, the man who is standing on the weighing machine, then entire system will fall down. Clear? So he just tied like this. You can check. He just tied with the help of his hand like this, like this, and entire system is at rest. So what they are asking, if system is at rest, then how much will be the reading of weighing machine? Reading of weighing machine simply normal reaction force. Okay. Now tell me, if I draw the free body diagram here, if I consider our this man to be a system, okay, then on this man, what will be the, tell me, what will be the free body diagram in this case? One is gravity,
mg
very good,
mg downwards, upwards, normal reaction
very
force.
good, normal reaction energy due to weighing machine, okay, and one is this because of the string, tension is there, okay, clear? Then how will you
Yes,
write,
sir.
sir? N is up, T is up, minus 600. Since system is at rest, so you will write T plus N is equal to 600. Like this, equation 1. Clear? Next, if you take here, if you take this is our system, this platform. 1 minute. If this platform is your system, platform is where to where? This is your system. Okay. If platform is your system, I just want to show you like where is the platform. Okay. If platform is your system, then draw the free body diagram. It will draw free body diagram of platform. So platform mass is 30 down. Clear? Any other force?
Tension force upwards.
Very good. Because of here string is here. Tension force. Very good. Any other?
Sir, in the system is the man included.
Mm, no. Platform is at my system. Platform is my system here. Now, weighing machine is in contact with the platform. Okay. This weighing machine is also applying normal reaction force on the platform, and which is equal to the what? N. Okay, where you will place the weighing machine? On the platform now. Then on that platform, weighing machine is on the weighing machine who is standing? Man. If weighing machine is apply normal direction and up. Clear? And man is also applying N. You will say, sir, why N here? Why N here? I will tell. I will tell. First, you just apply Newton's law here also. You will get what? T down, N is down. Sorry, T is up, N is down, minus 30 into G. 300. So how much T minus N is equal to what? 300. Equation 2. So you will solve these two equation. Then what is the value of T and N? You will tell. Okay. My question is, My job is to tell like why. If you look at this again, platform, on this platform weighing machine is there. Weighing machine. Okay. Now if I take weighing machine as my system, if this is your system, weighing machine. Okay. If weighing machine is your system, now can you please draw the free body diagram? If weighing machine is your system, then if I draw the free body diagram of weighing machine, and in the weighing machine, what is that? A spring is there, and a spring is
N1 upwards,
massless.
N2
Yeah,
upwards.
you can say the platform is applying, let us suppose normal is like this, N2. Okay. And a man who is
N2.
standing on this weighing machine, he is applying normal down on the weighing machine.
N1.
I just want to explain like why N2 is equal to N. Okay, I just want to, if weighing machine is my system, then platform is going to apply N2, N2 up. And man is going to apply normal reaction on this weighing machine down. Since massless, we consider massless now. If you apply N2 minus N, spring mass is negligible. Mass of weighing machine, you can say MW. Acceleration, even acceleration is there. It is very, very 10 to 0, tending to 0. Okay. Very, very less. Massless, we consider massless now. So here N2 will be what? N. That's why in the previous diagram, when I'm drawing the free body diagram of platform, I'm directly taking N. Understood? Clear? Any doubt? Tell me.
Not up.
So you can solve these two equations and give me the value of T and N. Can you
T
solve?
is 450 Newton and N is 150.
Very good. Very nice. N is coming out to what, how much? 150. So what is the reading? Reading of weighing machine?
15 kg.
15 kg. Okay. Understood? This question
Yes, sir.
again check. Again check. Again I am giving you time. Please check again. If still you have doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Currently the system is not going to accelerate. The system is not going to accelerate. He just take a rope in his hand, the person, and he is standing on the weighing machine. And he just apply that much force that he is going to balance the platform and his own mass. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Even this question, you can solve one more way. Tension how much? 450 na? How much you are getting? 450.
Tension 450.
You tell me. If I say same question, you can solve tension in this way also. Platform, and on this weighing machine is there. Weighing machine. On this weighing machine, a person is going to stand like this. And here pulley is where? Pulley. 1 minute. It is going hang. 1 minute. Here pulley is there. Attach pulley is attached here. Roughly I want to show, okay? Like this. One pulley is there. Pulley, okay? I'm showing like this, don't worry, okay? Here this person is going to, he just with the help of his hand, he just tied together like this. And if you take both as a system, both if you take entire as a system, entire your system, this is, then in this case, if you draw the free body diagram,
mg downwards and